Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the pronunciation of tricky brand names and words. Today we're diving into the world of high fashion with the luxurious name Yves Saint Laurent. Are you saying it correctly? This name often gets pronounced as Yves Saint Laurent or Yves Saint Laurent. Sound familiar? Don't worry. Let me show you the correct way to say it. The correct pronunciation is Yves Saint Laurent. Yves is pronounced as Yves, with a silent S. Saint sounds like San, with a nasal tone. Laurent is Laurent, with a soft, almost silent T at the end. Here's a tip. Keep it smooth and let the French flair shine through. Let's practice together. Yves Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent. Take your time to master the rhythm and flow. You're doing great. Did you know? Yves Saint Laurent revolutionized fashion by introducing the women's tuxedo suit, the Lee Smoking, in 1966. His designs continue to inspire even today. The brand is also famously abbreviated as YSL, but now you know how to say the full name properly. Now you can confidently say Yves Saint Laurent like a fashion insider. Try it out and impress your friends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment your favorite YSL product below, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.